So I'm going to stop
yeah.
there for a second. We're going to start rolling and kind of just have you repeat the same thing again. This time, make sure that you answer looking through the lens.
Okay.
Yep, this is me. This is me.
My name is Brian Franco.
My name is Olivia Von Opel.
My name is Sonia Hyatt.
I'm Cynthia Huerta.
My name is Laquan Dawson.
My name is Avery Bowling.
My name is Joshua Harris Aganloye.
Hi, I'm Sabrina.
What I love about Bushwick is just the diversity, I guess, in it.
I love the energy, I love the vibe, so I kind of fell in love with it immediately.
I love everything about it.
What I love about Bushwick is really, I don't know, like the air. It feels very springy or summer all the time to me.
It's just a cultural hub. It's where it's popping right now, you know?
I was scrolling down my phone one day and then I saw the ad. I was like, oh, that seems really cool. And I just applied for it. And I guess I always was drawn to video and filmmaking. And this is my first taste.
Bushwick Stories is a workshop for young filmmakers in the North Brooklyn neighborhood of Bushwick. We collaborated with Bushwick Film Festival to bring young filmmakers together, to give them a platform to tell their own story and to shoot a short documentary about a local hero or an inspiring story in their neighborhood.
Representation in the media and film really matter, and to have the opportunity to work with people in our neighborhood and give them the tools and the equipment they need to realize a full-fledged short documentary is literally like a dream come true.
With this program, I'm actually hoping to learn new skills, learn new ways to work with tech I've never worked with before.
The camera work, I've learned a lot today alone. The editing, I'm very curious about it.
Film is like a new thing for me, so I'm trying to figure out how to get my film to look like my photography and have like a similar voice.
Just learning new techniques I can utilize within my filmmaking skills. Because I've never done a documentary before, so this is also a new learning experience.
My first time touching a camera and like, you know, being with filmmakers and I'm having a lot of fun. I'm connecting with people.
I wanted to own a TV station when I got older, so I wanted to get a good broad understanding of how the camera works, how it operates, how an actual shoot is made. That's the reason why I wanted to be a part of the program.
We wanted to create a workshop where young filmmakers can connect with each other. They can connect with more established filmmakers in the industry. They can learn on professional equipment, such as Canon cinema cameras, really nice quality lighting and audio, small HD monitors, Manfrotto camera support. We wanted to give young aspiring filmmakers a platform to tell their own story. At B&H, we wanted to do this because we wanted to give back to our local community. A lot of the people who supported us and allowed us to be the successful store that we are, we want to be able to give back to that same community as well. This week is definitely an uphill battle. We're taking young people with very little filmmaking experience. We're going to teach them about documentary storytelling, what to look for in characters, how much access that you need in order to shoot a successful documentary. And they're going to do this in 5 days. The first 2 days, they're going to be indoors learning. For the remaining 3 days, they'll be on location shooting their documentary. I'm really excited to see how this week develops. I'm really excited by a lot of these young filmmakers, and I'm really excited to see some of the documentaries that they produce.
There's no like ideal f-stop?
No, because you're always changing lighting conditions. So F11 means that you are like this, and we're like this because we were shooting at the sun.
Right.
But now we're in here where it's just less light, so we need to be wider. So bring the number.
Lower, right?
Where are we at? 2.8? Yeah, that's probably
the lowest I can get.
Yeah, that's the lowest you could get, but that's probably what we're gonna have to shoot against.
So I really like collaborating with other people, and Bushwick Stories has given me not only just like access to how to learn like the technical stuff, like how to use a camera, how like what a cinematographer does. I don't know, it's just made it really accessible, and not only has it given me like knowledge, but it's given me community.
Honestly, I learned so much. You know, how to use a camera, a tripod, a monopod, and I feel like for me it's all new. The speakers that we had, the Q&A, and learning how the industry works, and the little secrets and how to, you know, network and get an internship.
This workshop has far exceeded my expectations, and I love that the speakers they brought in, they're working in the industry, and they gave you like real life advice that you can take with you and actually walk into the working world. It's not just like some classroom you're sitting in college just learning some basic knowledge on film. You're getting hands-on training, and it's been beautiful, truly beautiful.